Hi again. So this is Caleb. Those who know me, you know I sell properties online, especially on TikTok. But I once made a video telling you guys that I'm now into development as well as renovation. So if you have a house, the house old, you want to renovate, just give me a call. But first, let me show you this project here we have attention, which we'll be renovating. I'll make sure I keep updating you guys just for you guys to know, and then you guys to see the progress. So we have this house is a two-bedroom property located at Teshi. So this is a compound basically, or let me say this is the back side of the house. Then this side also is a compound. So the compound rolls all the way to that side. Now can you show them? We'll put a gate or fix a gate here too, just to make sure the place is well secured. And then over here too, I believe we'll do like a pergola or something here. All depends on how the project goes. So let me take you inside first. Then I'll show you how the project will be going. So just see over here, you can see the door is so old. Most of the things are old. I think it needs painting and couple of stuff. So come and let me show you the inside. First of all, we'll be doing the kitchen. So this is a kitchen. This is how the kitchen looks. The kitchen is very spacious, to be frank. We have nice tiles here. And then, but I feel like all these things are a bit old. So I believe we'll change all this. Then as you can see too, the windows still need a bit of refurbishment. I think over here. So I don't think anyone would like to stay in such a place where you have these old cabinets. So I think that it needs a bit of renovation. And another good thing too is this place is for rent also. So maybe after we are done renovating, before renovating, you want to rent this place, and then you're willing to secure this unit. Just make sure to hit me up. Okay, I'll just make sure I leave my details in the description. So please come. Then somewhere here you can put your washing machine. So I think it's a good space too. Now all this place too will be renovated. When you look at the roofing, or let me say the top side, you can see it's quite old. We need to change all these things. Then come, let me show you too. This side we have the washroom. On my right hand side we have the bathroom, and then here we have the WC or the toilet itself. Then we have a sink here too. All these things will be changed and renovated. Then on my left hand side we have the first bedroom, which is quite spacious. We have enough windows, about two windows that are really big. So you can see you have enough light coming in. Then as you can see at the top too, all these ones are a bit old. So all these ones will also be changed. Let's go to the second bedroom and let's have a look. So this is the second bedroom. It's also as spacious as the other one, but not very, very spacious like the other one. Also with two windows, have enough natural light coming in. Also needs a bit of renovation. Then let me show you the living room, which is the biggest of all. So look at how big the living room is. It's really, really big. You have three windows, one, two, three windows, bringing in a ton of light into the property. So as I said earlier, this place will be undergoing renovation. I think at some point I'll take it to the top because at some point we'll be completing the top too. So this is just a ground floor, which is it will go on a renovation. If you're interested, just make sure hit me up. This door leads to the outside part of the property. So let me show you also. So this side leads to. So behind you can see you have the stairs leading to the first floor or top floor. So you come, let me show you. Come and let me show you. Here we have this place too. I think we're doing two beds similar to the down, but we may extend some parts all depending. Over here to I believe we'll put like a garage here, this side. That can accommodate easily two cars. So don't forget I said it's for rent too. So if you're interested, just let me know. This poly tank too will go away. So since to go away, I think it's a nice space. But comfortable enough to take two cars, two bedrooms in addition to a living room, which will end up being very spacious, just like a ground floor. So, in case you're interested, I'll make sure to leave my details in the description. If you have a house too, you are willing to renovate or you are willing to sell your house, also I'll make sure to leave my details in the description below. If you're also looking to purchase a house, just let me know. I'll make sure also to leave my details in the description below. So if anything, just let me know. Don't forget, the name is Caleb. Peace.